Science Year 1, Unit 4, All Grammar Key Terms. Vertebrate, an animal with a backbone. Vertebrate. Invertebrate, an animal without a backbone. Invertebrate. Mammal, a warm-blooded animal with fur or hair that drinks its mother's milk. Mammal. Marsupial, a mammal with a pouch for carrying developing young. Marsupial. Primate, a mammal that grips with 5 fingers and 5 toes and has binocular vision. Primate. Warm-blooded, an animal that maintains a consistent eternal body temperature. Warm-blooded. Key people, Aristotle, a Greek philosopher who published the first known classification of every being. Aristotle. Jane Goodall, English primatologist, anthropologist, and animal welfare activist who is notable for her 45-year study of chimpanzee social and family interactions in Tanzania. Jane Goodall. Week 5. Fins, projections from the bodies of fish that are used as stabilizers to change directions. Fins. Beak, formed by the coming together of 2 hard upper and lower jaws of the bird. Beak. Preening, running the feathers through the beak to rehook the barbs. Preening. Crustacean, an animal that has a body covered with a hard shell or crust. Crustacean. Mollusk, a soft-bodied invertebrate with a muscular foot and usually a shell. Mollusk. Cnidarians, single opening water animals with hollow bodies and stinging tentacles. Cnidarians. Charles Darwin, an English naturalist who proposed that the diversity of life as we know it is due to a process that he called natural selection. Jean Audubon, French-American ornithologist and naturalist who painted and cataloged and described the birds of North America in painstaking detail. Jean Audubon. Jacques Cousteau, French undersea explorer, photographer, inventor of diving devices, who enlightened people around the world of the ocean's natural treasures. Jacques Cousteau. Week 6. Metamorphosis, a significant change in form during a life cycle. Metamorphosis. Amphibian, cold-blooded, soft-skinned animal that begins life breathing water and typically changes to be able to breathe air or do both. Cold-blooded, an animal whose internal temperature varies on its surroundings. Cold-blooded. Arthropod, an animal with a segmented body, jointed legs or feet, and a hard outer skeleton, an exoskeleton. Arthropod. Arachnid, an animal with 2 body parts, 8 legs, no antenna. I think 8 eyes. Arachnid. Myriapod, an animal with a long segmented body and many paired jointed legs. Myriapod. Asa Finch, the first American entomologist, one who studies insects, who collected and studied insects for New York State. Asa Finch. Jan Schwarmendam, Dutch entomologist and zoologist who pioneered the study of minute anatomy, especially the anatomy of insects, and also investigated insect metamorphosis. John Swammerdam.